In this town, men don't kill for gold. They kill for horsepower.
That crate's got what I need to finish my rebuild. Brand new Enginetech head gaskets. Smooth seal, perfect fit.
Head gaskets? Huh. I'm here for the pistons. Forged, balanced, and strong enough to outlast the desert. You too blind? Bearings is what matter. Cam bearings, I said. Without them, your engine's just an iron coffin.
Looks like only one of us is riding out of here with them Enginetech parts.
I guess it ain't gonna be you. You boys best hope my twerk wrench don't jam.
Enginetech always said quality wins out.
Enginetech. Parts worth fighting for.